What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing, kind of an overview on why I purchased these as my new wireless earphones. So these are the Pixel Buds. I believe these are the version 2. The first one actually had wires on them. And this may seem a little odd because I actually have an iPhone 12, which you wouldn't think would correlate with purchasing this, but I'm actually planning on switching to a Pixel phone at some point. I may wait till the Pixel 6 comes out or till the Pixel 5 goes on sale. So I purchased these for $129. They've been on sale at Best Buy recently. I've also seen them on sale on Google's actual website in the past for $129. They're originally $179, and previously I had the Jaybird. I think these are the Terra. These were like around $50. These are your more wireless earbuds where they have this wire in the back. I've had these for a little over a year and a half now, and they're starting to die, so I have to charge them a lot because batteries degrade over time. So any wireless earbuds you get or earphones are only going to last so long until the battery actually dies. So I got these because they were on sale, and I do plan on going back to a Pixel phone. Mainly, I'll go over that real quick, mainly because I don't like using a case on a phone, but this phone is very fragile if you drop it. So I don't know if you'll be able to focus on that there, but it already has this huge scratch on it from where I dropped it, which is fine, but I'm just worried about breaking it and then having to pay a fortune to get it fixed. So let's get into these. Purchased at Best Buy. I believe they're still on sale. I think it's part of like the Father's Day thing going on, but they have run on sale before on other websites. So that's it. Got a nice box here. Looks like she's having a good time. Well, I don't know about that, but that's it. They don't really tell a whole lot. Bluetooth 4.0. I assume they'll work better with a Pixel phone than they will with an iPhone, but that's what we got here. So we'll get in the box here. The box was a little damaged when I got it, but that stuff happens. So here's the case. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I assume there is. Yeah, there we go. So it looks like you have a small and large for your earbuds there. I assume medium are actually on it. That's how most actual headphones come. And give you an idea of what it looks like here. So it's very similar to the AirPods Pro. So this is AirPods Pro. This is the Pixel Buds. So they're almost identical in size. If you look at them there, these are my wife's. She really likes these. They sound pretty good. I would recommend these also if you're staying with that Apple ecosystem. But I'm not, and these are way cheaper. I mean, these are usually $229 to $249, and these were $129. And the Pixel Buds A's are only $99. So same size. Let's see what else is in the box here. So USB-A to USB-C. That's another thing that I like about these, is that these are USB-C. Oh, this is too. No. Is this USB-C? Nope. So Apple's still sticking with their Lightning standard, but this is USB-C. So you actually could use this to charge your actual phone if you wanted. Also, if you had a Pixel phone. That's the only thing I don't like about iPhones, is they're still stuck on Lightning connector, which I'm sure is to sell stuff. Oh, I forgot about what kind of information you get here. Probably nothing. I assume these come with a 1-year warranty. Most everything does. Oh, okay. So you just get some information on how to use them. I'll actually probably have to look for this because I am not familiar with the gestures or anything along that lines. I honestly just got these because I know they're fairly well reviewed. I've heard they stay in your ears for working out or running, and they were on sale for $129. So otherwise, I probably got the Pixel Bud A if these weren't on sale, but they were. The Pixel Bud A's do not have wireless charging. These do. So let's open them up here. So it looks like it's probably already trying to pair to something. What if it would try to pair to if I open it near this? I think if you have a Pixel phone, it'll automatically try to connect to it. Nothing. So you probably have to go into the actual Bluetooth settings and connect them like any other phone, which is fine. I do like the white and black design. I do like that. They also have a sage and I believe an orange color. So this will kind of get you an idea of what they look like. I really like the design of them. I like the design of the AirPods too. I mean, and they're kind of have a magnetic when they go in. I'm not sure about the battery life on these. I assume they'll be, I mean, these literally I have to charge almost every other time I use them. Because once they get to like 40 or 20%, they randomly will just die fairly quickly. The case feels nice. These feel pretty good. I'm curious to see if they stay in my ear. That's one thing I'm kind of curious about. Actually, they kind of look like they're falling out already. Well, they're not falling out yet. We'll see. I may have to go to the larger earbuds. I don't know. Definitely feel them coming out. But anyways, we'll do that more when we get a long-term review of them up to see how they actually. Let's get these out here. See how they compare. So you can see they're very different designs from the AirPods Pro to the Pixel Buds. So we'll see. Pretty sure these connect to my phone. See how things go. But overall, seem to be pretty happy with it. I may have to go with the larger earbuds here, but it looks like I had them in the wrong ear, so that's probably why they didn't work. But overall, pretty happy with them for the price point. I will get a more long-term review of them up as I go. But if you can get them on sale for $129, I would say it's probably hard to say no to that. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.